The digestive process is nothing new. It starts before you take that first chew. Just thinking about the food makes saliva start to flow. So when you take that first bite, it's time for the show. Into the mouth, the food must go. The food mixes with saliva to help you swallow. The teeth chew it good so it's not too tough. Then it moves to a tube called the esophagus. At the end of the esophagus is muscular ring, a valve called a sphincter. It's a squeezy kind of thing. Food is our fuel and gives us energy, but till it is converted, no digestion we will see. Every morsel of food must be broken down into tiny nutrients. Soon it will be found. The process of absorption is the key, where the food can be used by our bodies. Chew it up, swallow it down. The digestive tract goes round and round. Chew it up, swallow it down. The digestive tract goes round and round. From the stomach to intestines, from small into large, everything we eat is gonna give us a charge. The food is converted so very carefully. It's what has to happen to be healthy. The stomach has a lining. It has to be quite tough, or the gastric juices would melt it right up. The kidneys and the liver have a special function too, to filter out the poisons and the stuff we cannot use. In the small intestines, carbs are broken down into base components to keep us moving around. Proteins build our bodies so we can become strong. Water helps the process to keep us moving on. Chew it up, swallow it down. The digestive tract goes round and round. Chew it up, swallow it down. The digestive tract goes round and round. Vitamins and minerals are sorted out now.